Have you ever wondered how electric bikes are made? In today's video, we will take you to the factory to see the entire process from raw materials to finished product. We'll show you how a team of workers use their skills and experience to build high-quality bikes that people around the world can enjoy. So sit back and relax as we take you on a journey to see how your favorite mode of green transportation is made. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. Dan. Before moving ahead, do subscribe for regular updates. The first step in making an electric bicycle is to choose the right frame material. The most popular material for electric bike frames is aluminum, because it is lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant. The frame is the skeleton of the bike, so it has to be strong enough to support the weight of the rider and the load. Different types of aluminum alloys are used for different applications. For example, some alloys are better suited for city bikes, while others are more suitable for mountain bikes. The choice of alloy also depends on the budget and the target market. Once the frame material is decided, it is time to start the designing process. The design of an electric bike frame is not only about aesthetics, but also about functionality and ergonomics. The frame should be comfortable for the rider to use, and should also be able to withstand the stress of riding on rough terrain. Advanced technologies such as computer-aided design (CAD) are used to create the frame's blueprint. This ensures that the frame is not only visually appealing, but also structurally sound. Cutting the frame is one of the most critical steps in the manufacturing process. The frame must be cut to the exact dimensions to ensure that all the components fit together properly. This is done with the help of specialized cutting machines that can make precise cuts with minimal waste. The edges of the frame are then deburred and smoothed to prevent any sharp edges or corners. This ensures that the rider is not injured during assembly or while riding the bike. Overall, the cutting and finishing of the frame sets the foundation for the rest of the manufacturing process. The next step in making an electric bicycle is to assemble the frame. This involves putting together the various parts of the frame, including the front triangle, the rear triangle, and the handlebars. The frame is typically assembled using a combination of manual and automated processes. Specialized tools are used to join the different parts of the frame together, ensuring that they are securely fastened and aligned correctly. The frame is then checked for any defects or imperfections, and any necessary adjustments are made. Once the frame is assembled, it is coated with a protective layer of paint to prevent rust and corrosion. The painting process typically involves several coats of paint and a clear coat to protect the frame from the elements. The motor is the heart of any electric bicycle, and its placement on the frame is crucial. The motor is typically attached to the rear wheel of the bike, and the process involves aligning the motor with the wheel and securing it in place. Once the motor is installed, the wiring is connected, and the motor is tested to ensure that it is working properly. The motor's position affects the bike's center of gravity and overall handling. Therefore, it is important to find the right balance when placing the motor on the frame. The battery is another essential component of an electric bicycle, and its installation requires careful attention. The battery is typically mounted on the frame with a specialized rack or tray that allows easy access to the charging port. The wiring from the battery is connected to the motor and the controller, which regulates the motor's speed and torque. It is important to secure the battery properly to prevent any movement or shifting while riding. The choice of battery also affects the range and speed of the electric bike, so it is important to select the right one for the intended use. The final step in making an electric bicycle is to put the finishing touches on the bike. This includes installing the front and rear brakes, the display, the lights, and any other accessories. The brakes are an essential safety feature of any bicycle, and they must be installed and adjusted correctly to ensure that they function properly. The display shows the rider important information such as the speed, distance, and battery level. The lights are also important for safety, especially for bikes that will be ridden at night or in low light conditions. These finishing touches make the electric bike ready for use and ensure that it is safe and enjoyable for the rider. So there you have it, folks. Next time you ride your electric bike, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the hard work and craftsmanship that went into making it. From the initial design and assembly of the frame to the installation of the motor, battery, and finishing touches, each step is crucial in creating a high-quality, reliable, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Thanks for watching. If you'd like the video hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.